What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. We have Cartoon Cash right here. He been gone, but he back too. So without further ado, we gonna show y'all how we ceramic coat a vehicle. So this is a how to ceramic coat / graphene your vehicle with Cash. If y'all like this video like I knew y'all would, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share to everybody in the world, because if you ain't getting your how-tos from Cash, who are you getting it from? I shouldn't even ask you that, because that's a how you get it. And if you don't get it, you can't get it. But it's your boy KashDaKoolDad rambling, telling y'all, let's go Brandon. Keep going, we going to the top. Peace. Today, y'all see Cash in the apron. That mean we cooking. What we cooking with? We cooking with this here Gorilla Car Care, Gorilla Graphene. Gorilla Car Care, Gorilla Graphene. Gorilla Car Care, Gorilla Graphene. Woo! That's enough of that, man, because them graphenes, man. So we about to go in and get this here going on my POV. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Stay tuned, like I said, man. Gorilla, Cash, POV. Woo! Watch how I finish, man, on Gangsters. Alright, here you go, YouTube. So, I'm not sure if you guys can see it flashing. Let me see. You really can't tell. It's flashing though. Oh, there you go. You can see it a little bit. So it's time to go on and wipe off. I must say this is pretty easy. Wipe off and wipe on with this here Gorilla coating. Get my towel now. I've been going through towels, so you know this towel here is just to knock it down, level it out. And it's not sticky. It's just going straight across. Once you see it rainbow, you know, wipe it off. Flip your towel over, or open it up, and get it all off. And you come back with another towel as well. That's what Cash do. I don't know. Cash just do that, but nah. So that's how I go, man. Like I said, man, put it on, get you some Gorilla, put you a few drops on your applicator, put it on your paint, cross hatch it. And depending on your climate and what your temperature is, depends on the flash time, the wipe off time, and things like that. I'm underneath my carport, so it's like 79 degrees outside right now, 78, 76, somewhere from 75 up. So it's sort of like an instant flash. So after it flash, I give it some time. I come back with my towels. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go around the whole vehicle with that same, golly, look at that. I'm gonna go around the vehicle with that same method, and I'll get back with you all once I'm finished. I'm gonna have Grill's Garage on the windows and the windshield, of course. Yeah, man, it's your boy Cash, man. Let me go on and finish this here, cause it's gloomy outside, so I'm going to finish this. But yeah. And there we have it. Putting a little Grills Garage on the windows. You can see it's hazing up. That's what we need. When it haze up, I'm gonna come through and put a second coat like I'm doing now. And then I'm gonna let this haze up. Let this haze up, and when this haze up, it'll be time to come off. So if y'all not tracking, I'm gonna track it for you. That's 2 coats. If y'all not tracking, I'm gonna track it for you. That's 2 coats. Vehicle is done. Clarity depth is back on 110%. Yes, sir. Let me go on and wipe this off though. And there she have it. POV coated with Gorilla. Gorilla Graphene ceramic. Windows coated with Grills Garage window sealant. That's been my go-to window sealant. I'm gonna be popping a box, well, the top open on Exofarmer window sealant, glass sealant soon. Test that out, but for right now, I've been on my Grills Garage. You can see the home sign. Like I said, this here truck already has some great gloss, depth, and clarity. It's just I bought it back with ceramic graphene coating. Ceramic graphene or graphene ceramic coat. However you want to put it. But yeah, Cash definitely love this. And that's what I prep my surface with. Melco Epic ceramic prep wash. I also did Melco prep shampoo wash yesterday on it when I did paint correction. I used Papa Cut yesterday, and I topped it with, of course, two-stepped it. I should say topped it, but I two-stepped it with Fabulous. So I used a medium cut with Papa Cut, then I came back with a yellow ultra fine pad for the polish, and this is the results. Shee. Yes, sir. Cash like this. Remind me to get with y'all, like my dude Papa Smurf say, with some final thoughts. I'll be right back. YouTube! This is the finished product. I'm Cash the Gorilla Man. I use that Gorilla Graphene ceramic coating. Shout out to Gorilla Car Care. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Like it, comment, subscribe, and share it to all the gorillas in the world. It's your guy, Gorilla Man, saying peace.